हाय यस मेरी दिन की शुरुआत कुछ ऐसी ही होती है। आई मीन उठा नहीं जाता, कुछ अच्छा सुने बिना उठा नहीं जाता। Anyways, so welcome to my channel. My name is Nandini, and so I thought, why don't I start vlogging? This vlog will be regarding with move-in. I never got time to separate things and arrange them properly.
कुछ ज़्यादा ही गंदा है। Let me show you a sneak peek. Sneak peek नहीं, पूरा ही दिखा देती हूँ। लॉन्ड्री करने के लिए कपड़े हैं, बट लॉन्ड्री बैग वहाँ पे है। बैग यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे। ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने बैग्स की दुकान खोल कर रखी है। एनीवेज, फिर मैंने मास्क यहाँ पे, यहाँ वॉल्स पे टंगा है। मैंने एक्सेसरीज नीचे है, कुछ यहाँ पर है, कुछ यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर एंड या मेडिसिन एंड एवरीथिंग। I think मेरा bed is the only cleanest area in my whole room.
It's a disaster. I know, right? I need to get this all segregated as soon as possible. But for that, I need to go out to the superstore and buy some things. You know, this is a problem when you live by yourself. So I'll get properly dressed. Alright, I think I'm ready enough to step out. I have worn my jacket and mask, which is very necessary. Yes, I washed my mask, dried it, and then sanitizer is remaining. Again, I forgot to make a list. I think we are ready to step out. कुछ चीज़ें रिटर्न करवानी थी, so I went to the customer service desk and got the refund. And make sure that I buy all the things that I need before कि मैं कहीं और भटक जाऊँ। पर मुझे बोलना नहीं चाहिए, पर एक ना एक दिन ये सारे स्टोर्स मेरे सारे पैसे लूट लेंगे।
I mean, you see this? 1+1, buy one get one for $1. इतनी लड़की नो नहीं। जब मैं मॉम को बताऊंगी या फिर मेरी मॉम ये वीडियो देखने वाली है, आई स्वेयर मेरी मॉम बोलेगी ये तो होना ही था।
So I have bought the pillow and I need to purchase the pillowcase for that. I believe मैंने काफ़ी purchase कर लिया है. All the necessary items that I needed to buy, I have bought them. और अब जाना है check out counter पर. That's it. And then see you after that. Like, because outside my room there is a space where I can keep all the things, kind of quarantine. I forgot to bring the white bulb. I forgot to make a list. But before that, I think I need to choose my clothes. Alright guys, so I have changed my home clothes and I'll begin with the process of arranging and decorating my room. I forgot to mention this, that I actually ordered tapestries for this room, for these two walls. Tapestry, if you don't know, it basically is a cloth which has artistry pictures on it, printed or painted. Day 2. Finally. Because let me tell you कि मैंने कितनी बार move in किया है. It's almost four times back in there. 7th time in 2 years. Why don't I show you how I have arranged my room? Let's begin with the door. Ta-da-da. The first thing that comes into my notice is that how clean this carpet is when compared to the previous days. Laundry bag. Okay, so this section is for accessories. This is for some more clothes. And yeah, the daily needs. Then oh, one more thing. I have arranged this area in a way कि सुबह उठकर मुझे कुछ ढूंढना ना पड़े. I can just grab and get out. From the corner, the room looks something like this. मैं अपने कपड़ों पर बैठ गई हूँ. It looks so neat. Now one more thing to worry less about. So this was about cleaning my room and giving it a makeover basically. I don't know what to say. I don't know what I will title this vlog. I just want to say if you have reached this video till this far, then thank you so much for watching it. I hope you appreciate my effort because it was tiring. If you liked and appreciate my efforts, then please give a thumbs up to this video and also subscribe because I will be coming up with more videos. And please guys, please do not forget to take care of yourself, your family. Go out when it's absolutely necessary. I mean, I had to go out because I live by myself and I have to I'm accountable and responsible for everything that I do, and no one is going to take that burden. Things in India have taken an absolute nosedive, and just by watching the videos and watching the news, it really breaks my heart. But all we can do is try and help them. Ending this video on a happy note. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video.